What's up, family? Welcome back to another edition of So Focused Marketing and Promotions Tech and Lifestyle channel. I'm your host, Mr. I'm So Focused. So we back in with another tech product. Today what we got the Osmo Pocket by DJI. Now this thing right here is crazy. Shoots 4K videos. Thing fits in the palm of your hand. Osmo Pocket by DJI. Here's the box right here. See that? The Osmo Pocket. DJI. This thing right here fits in the palm of your hand. It's a mini, travel camera. It's not like, it doesn't take up much space. You use this thing while you're traveling, while you're walking around, vlogging. It got so many features. We're going to go through a couple of them. Right now, this thing is going for about, I think $350 on Amazon. Let's check it out real quick, actually. Let me get the Trusted Galaxy tab. And let's see how much it's going for on Amazon right now. I'm going to put the link in the description if you want to cop one after you watch the video. You get one. I'm going to put the link in the description below. You just buy it from there. And you just rock out like that. I think this thing is crazy. Like for vloggers, if you're doing any images on you're doing any videos on the move, this thing is perfect for that. Perfect. All right, so right now, let's go through the prices. This is Amazon right now. What's going on right now, real time. So, all right, boom. So you got right there DJI. This one right here comes with the 128 gigabyte SD card, and for this particular product, you need the the card you need for clear images, and that your images, your videos don't show all crazy. You need the SDXC card. You see it right there on that. When you click on right there, this is the card you need, micro SDXC card. Well, this one is going for $379 with free shipping. So, give you an example how much these things cost, how much, what's going on with them. Got one for $359, $349, $359, $399. You go up there, you check whatever package you want, and you just rock out. I'm just giving you real-time prices on what's going on. So, DJI Osmo Pocket. Let's watch a quick video with it from YouTube, and so you guys can get a free gist of what's going on with this. This thing is crazy. Trust me, man, when I tell you this thing is crazy. We're gonna go through it and we're gonna rock out. I kind of cheated with this one because I opened it up already. Boom, that's how it looked right there, live and in person. But we're gonna open it up. That's it right there in the case. I already been using this for like 2 weeks already, and I love that thing. Videos comes out crisp. You can't beat it. Let's watch a quick review real quick. We ain't gonna watch the whole thing. We're just gonna watch a quick video, and one of these short videos, and then I'm gonna go through it by myself, because I don't think some of these YouTube videos do it too much justice. So,
photo that they often ended up out of focus because the Osmo Pocket seemed to have a tendency.
We're gonna go through it real quick.
Guys, and welcome to Toby Talks.
We are currently recording on the DJI Osmo Pocket. This camera was released at the tail end of 2018, and at the time,
one video.
I was kind of hard on it because it had some flaws, which made it really hard for me to recommend this camera to other online content creators. However, fast forward 5 months, and we now have a few firmware updates and a few key accessories now available that might make this a great camera now. So is it? Let's find out. What's up, everyone? I'm the Everyday Dad, and if I can figure it out, you can figure it out.
Alright, we're not going to do that because that guy just takes too much time, in my opinion, honestly. But we just want to see something real quick with the Osmo. You know what? We're going to do this. We're going to do this the right way. Alright, check it out. So right here, that's the case that it comes in. You flip that case open. And this is it right here. Like I said, it fits in the palm of your hand. I'm gonna show y'all my video the way I do videos. You know, some of these guys, they take forever. You know, I'm in and out with it. You're gonna get the full gist of it by every time you watch my video. Like I said, on this channel, we stay focused on one product, under 12 minutes. We in and out. We're not holding you up. If you like what you see, click the bottom link. You copy it for yourself. If not, just sit back and be entertained. All right. So this is it, the Osmo Pocket. It got like a little gimbal on top. That's loose like that because it ain't on yet. You're gonna see once I turn it on what happens. It comes with 2 of these. This thing right here is for Type C, and it comes with an Apple one also. Let's check that out. Let's see what comes in the box first of all. So you got the Osmo Shield. This is stuff that I'm reading from the back. Get the 2-year warranty. Google Play, App Store, iMovie, and Final Cut Pro X for you editors out there. Perfect for that Final Cut Pro X. I already use it for Final Cut Pro X. Images, videos download quick into there. You edit, you do whatever you need to do. Osmo Pocket, DJI.com if you want to go there and copy it. But like I said, I'm leaving a link in the bottom for Amazon. What comes in the box? You get the little Type C wide charger that you charge it up, micro USB, but no, not micro USB, it's Type C. So it's all up to date. In this box, you get an iPhone plug. So with this plug right here, I'm an Android user, so I'm gonna show you what this plug is for real quick. So you plug this into here. If y'all can see that, you plug that into there like that, and then you plug it into your phone, and your phone now becomes a full screen, and you get to see the images on your phone. We're gonna check that out in a minute, but let's rock out real quick. You got to download the DJI app. I already have it downloaded. Let's go to it, and we're gonna rock out just like that. So this is the camera. That's the plug that you use for your phone. It comes with a Apple one also. So you turn it on like that. You're gonna see that gimbal move like that. That's a little screen that you got right there, and that's pretty much how you control it. It has, you know, different functions. Y'all can see that. Then now to go to like your settings, you pull down and you go to your settings. You got pictures, AFC, Pro. If you guys want to, you know, if you, for your camera users out there that want to set your different settings on it, you could do all of that. You click on that for your regular settings. You got the battery, you got your calibration, you got your tilt content, and you got the 5 minutes auto power off whenever you want to turn it off. If you guys can see that. And then so for tilt controls, you got tilt on and tilt off, and you can see it move a little bit, the gimbal. So now we go back, go up to go back, and if you slide up, you get another options. You get the selfie mode. Selfie mode. You see that? Go back out, click again, you go back to regular mode. And then you got, you know, tracking. That's for fast follow, like sports events, you know, animals, stuff like that. And then you got your follow, you got your tilt lock, and you got your first person point of view. So that just gives you, it moves wherever you move. First person point of view. Alright? It's dope. I'm telling you, this thing is dope. No fast shaking. Stabilization is crazy on it. And then that button that I just pressed, that right there, it's just to recenter it. Wherever you at, it just goes recenter again. So you can't go wrong with that. It's pretty dope. So this is the gimbal, DJI. You press that button right there, starts recording, take a picture. Press it 2 times, take a picture. And then you get to see all your videos. You go back, Settings. Up is camera controls. Down is pretty much just, you know, if you want to set different settings. You know, you got all of that stuff there. Battery life, you know, calibration, you want to calibrate it again, you do what you do. Hold it down, it starts taking pictures. Hold it, press twice, it goes, you know, it takes multiple pictures. And then that's how to turn it off. See, that's off right now. Turn it on. Just like that. That's this slot right here is where your micro SD card goes. Down here is where you charge it up at. Type C charger on deck. And you know, you get your battery life, you get everything there. The only thing that I can say about this is that the screen is small, but who cares at the end of the day? You vlogging, you moving around, it's lighting your pocket, you don't even know what's in there. You use it as your regular camera, you use it as your video camera, and you just rocking out. Then you pull that off. I'm gonna show you real quick. Let's see if we could get it real quick on you just like plug this right into your camera right there, just like that, and that's it. Now it links up to your phone, and you just, now you're getting, look at that. Now it's just, you know, like a full on picture. That's dope. Now you just vlogging. See what I'm saying? DJI Osmo Pocket. If you're interested, go cop one. The link is in the description below. Like I say at the end of every video, trust God, love family, and stay focused. Until the next video, stay focused, y'all.